Vivo Y30 slow motion video edit setting. Hello friends, welcome back to how to fix it YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can edit slow motion video setting. Okay, so guys, if you want to make slow motion videos, then how it is possible and how you can make it in Vivo Y30. Okay, so guys, if you want to know, then you have to watch this video till the end. Okay, watch the video from the beginning to the end, and after that you will be able to know how we have to edit slow motion videos. Okay, so guys, without wasting any more time, let's begin the tutorial. But before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. So at first guys, if we go to camera, okay, if we go to camera, then guys, here you will see that there is no slow motion setting here. Okay, so if you go to video, there are also no option for your slow motion setting. Okay, so in Vivo Y30 you cannot record a slow motion video, but guys, you can make slow motion videos. Okay, how? So first you have to record the video, okay, and install KineMaster or any video editing applications in your device. Okay, so I have KineMaster, so I will open up my KineMaster. So if you want KineMaster, then guys, you can get it from the Play Store. Okay, so now you have to click on the new project, that is plus sign, and then you have to select the landscape mode, that is 9 to 16. So you have to click here, and after that it will open up, okay, like this. And after that guys, you have to click on the media. After clicking on the media, you have to go to camera. Okay, so what you have record, you will get it here. So just open that video. Okay, or if you have already some videos, you want to make them slow, then guys, you can do it from here. So guys, as you can see, the video is now not slow motion. Okay, so I'll make it on slow. First tap on the video, click on speed. After that you have to slow down the video. Okay, and then click on the tick option. Okay, at the top. Now play the video again, and guys, as you can see, okay, so now the video is much more slower than before. So if you are done, you have to click on the exit option, okay, at the top bottom right hand side, and then guys, you have to open up the video, click on the share option, and then click on the export. After that you will get a video in your gallery or in your file manager. Okay, that's it. So this is how you can edit slow motion videos in your Vivo Y30. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.